viewers, Harith and Mahit here. Today, let us see the exciting world of solving Rubik's Cubes. Definitely, this is going to be an interesting experience for all of you. Let us begin with some historic facts about Rubik's Cubes. The Rubik's Cube is a 3D combination puzzle invented in 1974 by Hungarian sculptor and professor of architecture, Erno Rubik. Originally, it was called as the Magic Cube. So far, millions of cubes has been sold. It is widely considered to be the world's best-selling toy as well. On the original classic Rubik's Cube, each of the 6 faces was covered by 9 stickers, each one of 6 solid colors: white, red, blue, orange, green and yellow. In currently sold models, white is opposite to yellow, blue is opposite to green and orange is opposite to red. Since the year 2003, the World Cube Association, the international governing body of Rubik's Cube, has organized competitions worldwide and recognizes world records. Here I have chosen a simple way of solving Rubik's Cube, which you can also easily try out. Here you can see 2 into 2 cube, 3 into 3 cube, barrel cube and a pyramid cube. In today's video, we will show you how we can solve a 3 into 3 cube. Let us call Mahit to shuffle the cube. Thank you, Mahit. Firstly, we need to create a plus sign of the same color in any of the sides of the cube. Let me try this. And now you can see a plus sign of the color white in this side of the cube. Next, along with the plus sign, you must make sure that the edges of the plus sign and the connecting middle block have the same color in the all 4 faces. Now let me try to make it. Now you can see there is a plus sign in the color white and the connecting edges along with the middle block have the same color. In the next stage, you need to fill the corners of this side with the same color of the plus sign. Now let me try this. Now you can see that one of the faces of the cube is finished. You can also see that the first layer of the cube is finished. Now we will move to the second layer of the cube. Let me try this. Now you can see that the second layer of the cube is finished. This is normally done with some algorithms which use certain formula. In this video, I am not detailing the formula that I have used here. Now you must make the plus sign on the opposite side where you have completed the face with the single color. Let me try this. Now you can see that is done. As the next step, just as you have done previously, you must fill the corners of the side with the plus having the same color. Let me try this. As you can see here, the two sides of the cube is completed. Now you have to make the remaining sides have the same color using some mathematical equations which we will see later in detail. Now let me try this. As you can see here, the three sides of the cube is solved. Then you need to fill up these three sides with the same color. Let me try this. Finally, the cube is solved. Hope you enjoyed the video. We will come up with another video with fine details regarding the algorithm and mathematical equations used to solve the different types of cubes. If you enjoyed the video and found it informative, please hit the like button and press the subscribe button and click the bell icon for notification. Bye for now. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.